Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install Filezilla on Ubuntu. For that open Ubuntu and go to the show application section, click on it. Now type terminal, click on open to open it. Now herein type sudo space apt space update and press enter to update the repositories. Enter the password, admin password and press enter. All packages are up to date. Now guys, we need to install the dependencies for Filezilla. This will help us in installing. So type space here we have entered -y so that it by default accepts the prompts for yes or no. It will accept it as yes, that's why we added -y. Now I'll just press enter. This will install all the required packages before moving to the last command. Here it is, we did that. Now we will install our Filezilla. Sudo apt install sudo apt install Filezilla. That's it. This should work. Press enter. Press Y and press enter. We installed it. Now I'll type Filezilla space -- version and press enter. So herein the version is visible. That means we successfully installed it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Filezilla on Ubuntu. Thank you for watching the video.